Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another tutorial video here. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can insert videos on your PowerPoint slides. So let's start the video. First of all, open your PowerPoint, and here if I want to insert a video on this slide, all I have to do is click this insert option. As you can see, this is the insert option, and on the right side you can see this is the video option. Just expand the option, and here you can see two option. You can either export any video from online. It will help you reduce the file. So if I want to export any videos from, like, you can say YouTube, just click the option online videos, and here you have to paste the video link. So I'm gonna paste one of my videos link here. Click the share option and copy the link, and after that all I have to do is paste it here and select insert, and it will take a few seconds to process. And as you can see, this video is inserted on my PowerPoint, and it won't take up the space. This is a great feature. So another option is to insert a videos from your device, like your PC. You can select this option, this device. Just select this device option and browse the video that you want to insert. Like I'm gonna insert this video if I want, and select that video and click insert. And all you have to do is now move the video the way you want, and also you can expand this video to the whole slides. And this is the two way you can insert videos on your PowerPoint slide. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will catch you guys in the next video.